New construction roofing in Tucson demands a contractor who understands what this climate requires from day one, because there is no second chance on a roof built into the structure. From frame to finish, a new construction roof must account for Tucson's monsoon load, UV exposure, and intense heat, with proper underlayment, flashing, and ventilation designed in from the start. DC Roofing of Arizona works with builders and homeowners on new construction roofing in tile, shingle, metal, and flat systems. Installed to manufacturer specs with written documentation, David Contreras has been installing new construction roofs across Tucson since 2011 and coordinates with builders at every phase to keep projects on schedule. We serve Rincon Valley, Rita Ranch, Midtown, and new construction sites throughout the Tucson area. 4.8 stars, 500 completed roofs, written warranty on every installation, and ROC license number 328733. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today to schedule your new construction roofing consultation.